Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Distant Horizons on Minecraft. So first of all, you need to of course find the Distant Horizons and you want to press on files. You will find it on curseforge.com. Now you're going to choose the game version you have. So for example, I have this version, so I'm just going to go ahead and choose that. Now you also need to have either Fabric or NeoForge mod loader. So I'm going to show you how to download a Fabric one, but you can also do this on NeoForge. So I'm going to choose this version because I have it already, and you want to save it, for example, to your desktop. Now for Fabric loader, Fabric installer, you want to go ahead and write down Fabric installer on your browser, then press installation and press download. After that, you will have Fabric installer right there. You want to go ahead and double click on it. Once you double click on it, you're going to choose the version you have and you press install. Now, once you've done that, open up your launcher, and right there you will see your Fabric loader. So I'm going to choose this one. Then you're going to press on installations. Then you're going to choose your Fabric loader. Press open installations folder. On installations folder, you're going to choose mods option. And on this mod folder, you're going to drag that Distant Horizons. Just like so. And you're going to press play. And here you have it, guys. This is Distant Horizons. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.